If you produce music, you're used to working with bars and phrases. When you open up your NLE, that structure disappears. So I built a timing generator for video. Think MIDI for cuts. This generates structural timing. Beats, bars, phrases. It doesn't edit for you, it just makes time visible. And once you can see structure, you stop guessing timing. This changes the way that you cut. Instead of scrubbing waveforms, looking for peaks, you're working with actual timed intervals. Waveforms show energy, not structure. Downbeats are rarely the biggest transients. And once a track is block mastered, everything looks the same anyway. With a visible grid, you can snap cuts to real bars and phrases. You can build 8, 16, 32 bar structures. You can place text, graphics and visual assets rhythmically without guessing. It makes pacing deliberate. It makes revisions faster. You can swap music without rebuilding the whole edit. And it reduces cognitive load because you're not hunting for timing, you're composing with it. Structure comes first. ClearCue just brings that idea into video. It's basically a sequencer for visuals,